Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how you can uninstall unwanted installed fonts on your Windows computer to free some space and make your computer fast. On your PC, open the Start menu and search font. Click on this top option. Now here you will get the list of all installed fonts. To delete any of them, open it and click on Uninstall. The selected font is deleted from your computer. Now you can easily uninstall unwanted fonts on your computer and free up some space and speed it up. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for our future updates. Also, watch other amazing videos on our channel to learn more. Please comment below your views about this video. I would feel grateful. Thank you so much for watching.